Hey, my name is Jason Rogers. I wanted to bring attention to this BioSafe what's this stuff called now? Oh look, this is this pale stuff that BioSafe sells. You can see the packaging right here. We also use these individual packets for the units. We treat 16 septic systems. Let me show you one of these packets. This is the stuff we treat, quarterly, 2 per unit?
2 per unit.
2 per unit. So 4 per septic system, because most of our septics, so 4 per system per quarter. We put this package stuff. But we also, on occasion, shock treat with that big pail I showed you. And actually one of our units had a septic clog up. And essentially we just dumped a whole pail. How did you do that? 1 pail a day for 2-3 days?
It was 2 pails, one day, the next day.
Back-to-back days of pail use. And then after that, it worked great after,
yeah.
huh?
We also used 2 on 15.
2 on 15? Yeah, because they have a bunch of people in there. Yeah. So in other words, this is kind of our backup stuff. This is if we have a problem with the system, we shock it with this. And so far, it's worked great, right? I've got the gentleman that helps me out here with the maintenance. And right, I mean, this stuff's really kind of been our saving grace, is my understanding.
We're going to have to put that one on 29.
29?
Yeah.
So anyways, yeah, we use this stuff. We like this stuff. We were actually just talking about buying more. And Chris from BioSafe had asked if I would make a quick video talking about this product. And we like it. We use it. We're actually probably going to be ordering more. So anyways, that's a quick video regarding its effectiveness. Take care. Bye-bye.